I have a new cookbook, Pakistan, which was published last week by Hardy Grant. Pakistan is one of the first major cookbooks to be published in North America and probably one of the most complete look at Pakistani cuisine to date. Assalamualaikum and Eid Mubarak. My name is Marium Jillani. I'm a food writer born and raised in Islamabad. It features 100 recipes that showcase the beauty and diversity of our food and reported essays that ground the food in place and context. The book was inspired by my travels across Pakistan, during which I stepped inside 40 kitchens, both inside homes and in restaurants in 16 towns and villages and cities all the way from Karachi to Hunza. When I moved to the States, I realized that Pakistani food was very underrepresented. It's often confused with Indian food. And through this book, I hope to make the case for why Pakistani cuisine deserves its own space on the global culinary map, and also for Pakistanis to appreciate the diversity and beauty of their own cuisine.